It's about how it all started. It's about what happened in this great country of ours when the war was over, things were happening, GIs were coming home, housing tracts were going up with this crazy new style that they were building in the late 1940s, 1950s. All these cars were getting bigger and faster. GM was making more chrome, and Mopar put out the Hemi. Everything was going crazy. Well, there was a new kind of sound also, and dance floors were filling up all across this country to a whole different kind of sound, and it all went something like this. Well, it started a long time ago. Cats and kittens rocking on the floor. Staying up late at the drive-in show, rocking with the cats on the radio. I'm a rockabilly rhythm, baby. I'm a rockabilly rhythm, rockabilly rhythm. I'm a rockin' tonight. Ain't heard nothing till the cool cats cry. Jumping all over the floor. Cats and kittens screaming more and more. But everybody's bopping to a new dance craze. But you know, Bubba, won't you shake? Rockabilly rhythm, rockabilly rhythm, rockabilly rhythm. I'm a rockin' tonight. Ain't heard nothing till the cool cats cry. Boy, come on. Since I was 3, but Daddy said to them on his knees. He said, son, don't you act real wild. You was born a cool cat's house, baby. I'm a rockabilly rhythm, baby. I'm a rockabilly rhythm, rockabilly rhythm. I'm a rockin' tonight. Ain't heard nothing, and now let's rock, boys. Come on. Blue suede shoes, wearing six X's and coming on smooth. Rugs in my pocket and cash in my hand. I'm gonna see you rock again, baby. I'm a rockabilly rhythm, baby. I'm a rockabilly rhythm, rockabilly rhythm. I'm a rockin' tonight. Ain't heard nothing till the cool cats cry.